everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very simple and interesting tiffin recipe. This is puffed rice upma. So we're going to make it with a lot of puffed rice, you can see. But this is very popular in a region called Rayalaseema in Andhra Pradesh, and it's called Uggani. So let's get started on how to make this simple tiffin recipe. So I've kept all the ingredients ready for this recipe. The first step is to wash the puffed rice. For this recipe, I've taken about 200 grams of puffed rice. Pour enough water to the bowl to wash it. As soon as you pour the water, the puffed rice will get soaked very quickly. You can take another container or a large bowl to wash the puffed rice. So once the puffed rice becomes a little soft and it's absorbed the water, gently squeeze to remove all the excess water and keep it in another bowl. I'm going to prepare a special powder to enhance the flavors for this recipe. To a mixer jar, add 2 tablespoons of roasted gram, 5 cloves of garlic. You can add it with the skin, a few curry leaves, 3 red chillies cut into half, and grind it all to a nice fine powder. This special roasted gram powder is ready. Transfer it to another small bowl and keep it aside. Take a nice white kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urud dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, quarter cup of peanuts. Peanuts adds a nice flavor and crunchiness to the dish. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and roast it all together. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 2 onions finely chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, a few curry leaves, and saute well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped and saute well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it all together. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add the freshly ground roasted gram powder and mix it well along with the onions and tomatoes. This powder adds more flavor to the dish. Now add the washed and squeezed puffed rice and mix everything well. Keeping the flame on low, mix the puffed rice along with the onions and tomatoes and the roasted gram masala. Mix it gently and let the masala coat the puffed rice well. You can see how colorful and how beautiful it is. At this stage, you can check for seasoning and add a little bit of salt if required. Finally, add a tablespoon of ghee. This is optional. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. This Rayalaseema special Uggani is ready to be served nice and hot. This is a very simple and easy dish that you can prepare in just a few minutes. We'll give you a couple of other puffed rice recipes. Do check them out. Well, it's time to taste this really simple and flavorful Uggani, which is of course puffed rice upma. Here you go. Simple flavors, but it's so wholesome and so tasty. Perfect for a very nice evening time snack or tiffin. You can just enjoy this as is, or maybe with a pickle or any chutney by the side. Well, I really enjoyed it. So next time you want to make something really simple and tasty, or if you have a lot of puffed rice at home, definitely try this recipe. You will really enjoy it. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.